Hey everyone, welcome to Living It Country. Today I'm excited to announce the beginning of the spring edition of the Farmhouse Home Tour Series. So we will have 13 beautiful homes shared the whole month of April, sharing farmhouse, rustic, country style to get you guys inspired for this spring season. And I'm so excited to be teaming up with Crates and Pallet. They are going to be a part of our home tour series and doing an awesome giveaway. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and are watching each of the home tours so you guys know how to enter. They are going to be giving away 2 crates and 4 of these amazing brackets to one lucky subscriber, and I'm so excited. So today, hubby and I, we are going to be installing their 7.5 Crates and Pallet brackets. So these are their black edition. We picked these up from Home Depot a while back, and we're excited to install these. So we've been playing around with just this scrap piece of wood. So we're gonna get a different piece of wood and we're gonna be putting it on the shiplap wall that hubby just installed, gosh, maybe last weekend. So I'm really excited. We're gonna get decorating, we're gonna get DIYing together. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have this leftover piece of wood. We're cutting to 48 inches to fit on our wall.
Yeah, I was hoping to use this piece, but it's cracked down here, so we don't want that. So sadly, we won't be able to get 2 pieces out of here. That was one.
That's a bummer. We are gonna have to re-stain this.
Yes.
Did you get this piece for discount?
No, I did not. I think that crack happened afterwards.
Oh, bummer. One thing I always love to tell people is that when you guys go to Home Depot, you can always have them.
Very nice.
You can always have them cut your pieces there. Obviously, I would take precaution during this time of crisis, but that is an option. And I am eating an apple right now, so I kind of sound better. So Jason is next. He is sanding the edges to give them a crisp, nice finish. And this is left a crisp. Okay, we officially have 2 of the pieces cut to a little under 48 inches, and we are rounding the edges. Jason is now doing a little stain project on this, and he is using, is it called Old Barrel?
Aged barrel.
Aged
Right?
barrel.
Yeah, aged barrel.
On these pieces. He's doing an awesome job.
Well, why would I do a horrible job?
Don't know, you would never.
Never.
So this is actually the same wood and the same stain that we used in our last DIY project for our DIY beams, which will actually be to the upper left-hand corner of where these are gonna go and be installed in our dining room area. So we just gotta wait a little bit for it to dry. What are you thinking time-wise? 30 minutes? We waited about 20 minutes last time.
Yeah, we're only doing a single coat, so I think it's pretty warm in the house, so I would say roughly 30 minutes. I mean, we could technically put them on now. You just can't put any decor because I'm going to sand this backside like I did, and then that way it doesn't scuff up the wall.
Okay, great idea.
You could put it up dry, or wet, but let's just wait a little bit.
And this is our last DIY project before we share our home tour. So make sure if you guys are watching this, that you guys are subscribed to Living It Country and that you guys have your notification bell on to always, because we will have 13 home tours, that we will be sharing the whole month of April 2020. And Crates and Pallet was kind enough to sponsor a giveaway. So one lucky subscriber will be winning 2 of Crates and Pallet, their crates. And then they will also be winning 4 of these amazing brackets. So make sure that you guys comment on each of those videos so you guys can get entered into that giveaway. So we just randomly decided to do a extra piece of wood, stain it, and get that going. Are we using this one for the bathroom, honey?
Yeah, we'll use it for something. It's just that I had a lot of extra staying in this rag. I didn't want it to go to waste, so I'm just gonna.
Good idea. And we know we're gonna have quite a few of these brackets in the house. Like I said, we went to Home Depot and picked some more brackets up because we honestly just love these so much. We actually, it's funny, I feel like hubby and I, we discovered them on the same day. I did through social media, and Jason just found them actually literally at Home Depot. So he has a few in his office. He has 4 of the brackets in his office, 2 shelves. And now we just love them, and we're just putting them throughout the house because we don't have a lot of built-in spaces yet. The only one so far is in my office. And so places for decor, like we don't want to just randomly set them places, and we don't have any like cabinets or anything like that where there's decor purposes only. So this is kind of our way of doing so.
I might redo my shelves to this wood.
Yeah, he might, because we're learning as we go. We're not professional DIYers. We are homeowners. So these are homeowner approved DIYs. You think that looks great? So here is a look at what it's looking like. It's getting super late here, so the lighting is sort of poor, but I love it because it goes with just everything in this area. The wood beams, and even the table. Okay, you guys, the 2 crates and pallet bracket shelves are accomplished by my hubby. They look fabulous. I am so excited to start getting these decorated. I'm gonna link the full install in the card section and description box. You guys can watch how I did these a few weeks ago in the office. And a big thank you to my hubby for installing these on the dining room wall. They look absolutely fabulous, and he did a phenomenal job. Okay, you guys, here is the reveal of the shelves. I absolutely adore them in this space, and I'm so excited to share with you guys my full home tour coming up soon.